Hey guys, it's Noah here, and today an Amazon package arrived. It doesn't have the logo on it, but it's from, let's see, it's from Easy Vacuum from Manassas, Virginia. Yes, delivered to Oxford, Mississippi. Don't read my address there. Yes, but Oxford in Mississippi is where I live. It's a nice town, literally. All right, but anyways, what could this be? Let's open it up. Oh, damn, this is harder to open than I thought. Sorry for the foul language, those of you who hate cussing. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta get my utility knife. Wait, no, that's the case of Noah arresting Jacob in the library. Wait, no, that's the Phillips head screwdriver. Wait, no, that's the Dyson clutch belt tool. Wait, no, that's the utility knife. Wait, here's the utility knife. I'm back. Here we go. All right. Yes, today's Saturday, October 9th. And yes, I live in the South. It's still warm. Yes, I want it to cool off, just like I lived in New Jersey or Maryland. Come on, let's go. Get out. Wait, is this it? This what I think it is? Yes, it is. It's the filter for my Hoover wind tunnel self-propelled upright. Alright, so let's change it. I'm gonna open the door here. Take the old filter. Oh, it almost made it. I don't know if y'all saw that, but I'm gonna fit the new one in here. Oh! Here, let me set it down. There we go.